Okay, so the really first thing you want to do before installing your stereo is to make sure, or before to start taking anything apart, make sure your harness is compatible with your car. Like I say, on my situation, or in my case, I bought the harness 705701. And that's the one that will match my stereo. The part I bought is the Meta 705701. According to my research, that's the one that will fit my radio. So we're gonna start removing everything out and let's see what happens. First thing you gotta do is remove the knob, shifter knob. And in some sections you might see that I have to stop recording because it might be required 2 hands, and unfortunately I have only 2, and one of them needs to hold the camera. So alright, so the knob is off. This vessel is supposed to pop out just like so. I already done it before, so I know how it is. Don't be afraid to pop it out. It's just gonna come out really easily. And then on the back you have the plug for the cigarette lighter. On the brown section there is a clip that you have to push it in and pull it out like so. Let me show you. Let me see if I can get it. Like so. It's supposed to come out really easily. And the second section, or the second part, is going to be the top vessel, which, hold on, let me close this window because it's too much glare. Alright, I think that's better. I got some light but not crazy. So the second vessel is supposed to pop out the same way. Like I said, don't be afraid to pull it out. There's clips behind it and it's not too tight. See how easy it is? And then on the back of the vessel you have 3 plugs right there. So on this side there are the clips. You have to push it in and pull that out. Let me see if I can make it work in order for you guys to see it and in order for me to record. There's 1, 2, and 3. I was able to remove this, and now you will need a, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 7mm screws. We'll be right back and I can show you guys how to do it. So yeah, you have to remove 2 screws, 1 on each side. They're not tight, they're really easy to remove. Aquí desarmando esto.
Arreglando. Cambio está bonito. ¿Qué hizo los otros? ¿Los vendió?
No, están ahí. Once you remove the two screws, you're gonna just pull this out. You gotta be smooth because you're gonna have some wires behind it. You're gonna have the antenna and a couple of more wires to unplug. Once you remove the stereo, open your harness. Like I say, make sure, or the reason why is to make sure it will fit on your car. So the first plug, yep, it goes easy according to this. Right here maybe. This is the second one. Fits perfect. And the third one, which is the RCA, it will fit, pow, right on the spot. So yes, that's the right. That's the right one, if I'm not mistaken. For what I know, this is accessory. Yeah. So now what I gotta do is I have to start what you have to do is I'm gonna bring it back into my house and start connecting all the cables from the harness to the stereo plug. Hey, what's up? So this is the part that I bought for the installation of my stereo. Meta 70-5701, a harness. Red Wolf, let me see what model number is this. Oh, here it goes. I will put the links in the description so you guys can be able to buy these items in order to install your steering to your Mustang if you got the Mag 460 Meta 955026. wrap it around, and it's ready to be installed. I'm just going to attach this to this, and I'll be good to go. Okay, now the stereo. Or might as well say the adapter for the car stereo. Now the adapter for the car stereo. The way it works is it comes in 3 pieces. Comes like this on both sides. We just gotta put them together like so. And now this is installed. This will go straight on the car. And now we gotta install these harnesses. So this will go right on the stereo, like so. When you connect the RCAs into the stereo, the one that goes to the car, make sure you test it if you have different RCAs. Because in my case, you will have the front left, you will have the rear, and you will have the subwoofers. You gotta try to see if it works with the subwoofers or with the front or the rear. In my situation, I'm just gonna install it to the front. And that's the one will work the best. I have this for the XM radios, which I'm not going to use.
Elisa.
I have this for the rear view camera, which I will use eventually. So I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to connect this on the stereo. Just gotta make sure I have the right one. There you go. Then you will have auxiliary in, which, if I'm not wrong, this will have to be for the microphone. No. microphone outlet is on this part right here, and then you will have the HDMI cable.
You going?
Yeah, give me a second.
You're making sure.
Like this. Yeah, man, so couple of things I gotta do with my setup is that I have HDMI cable that I have to run it through in order to connect my phone. If I want to do wire, so I'm gonna have to do it prior installation. So I already have an idea how I wanted it. So the HDMI is right here, and also I need to connect a microphone because this stereo has Apple CarPlay, it has Android Auto, so I'm going to be able to speak on the phone or talk by phone. So I'm trying to figure it out the best location. For me to install this microphone because it is a convertible, so there's no way to put it out on the pillar. It will make no sense. Maybe right here? No. Run the wire and it's already here, so now I just have to connect these plugs. Like I said before, like so. Connect the USB cable on the back of the stereo. And connect the microphone. plugs inside. Connect the antenna on the back of the stereo. And man, it's nice. So, like I said, the microphone right now is loose. I have to find a way how to run it and where to install it in order to have it running. Might be able to do it. We'll do it tomorrow when it's more daylight. As of right now, I just want to connect the stereo. Yes, sir. Before I put everything back together, let me turn on the car and see if it is working. Nice.
100 years of show-stopping moves. And
Okay. We'll try it in a minute. Now let's start putting all these pieces together. So like I mentioned before, two screws. Make sure it's tight enough. You don't want to over tight it because it will break. Now we get the front or the top bezel, and we have to plug all these horn all these plugs back in the same order you took them off. And my man, what is this? And it looks pretty nice, pretty neat. Let me show you guys how it looks. You guys can tell it's, sorry for the glare, I'm trying to make it the best possible. And
It's may vary according to vehicle type, driving conditions, and driving style.
at ShopRite, we are all about family here.
And value, too.
Now,
Helping you make quick, easy,
we're
and
gonna see
delicious
how the
meals
Bluetooth
every
work.
day. Is all about the little moments you cherish with the big savings we could all use. Shop right.
Now let's see
We
my.
are here.
That's the sound of James adding long-lasting gain scent boosters to his laundry this morning.
Make sure the vessel is
Hours
all the
later,
way in.
James sniffs the irresistible scent of gain on his shirt.
Now let me connect that.
Several hours later, James has even caught the attention of his mother-in-law, and she never gives him
The heck?
attention.
Ooh, you smell amazing,
USB
James.
cable.
Oh, thanks, Mom. I love you, too.
I never said that.
Add gain scent boosters to your laundry. Add joy to your day.
We've all tried protein drinks on the go. Now you can finally get both with Don't Quit protein drinks. Loaded with 33 grams of protein, only 1 gram of sugar, and a cleaner approach to ingredients that use no artificial flavors or sweeteners, but still delivers that smooth texture and delicious taste we all crave. Don't let the wrong ingredients knock you down. Fuel your perseverance with Don't Quit clean protein drinks. Get yours now at Acme or King's.
Oh, could this vintage store be any cuter? Right? And the best part? They accept Discover. Accept Discover? In a little place like this? I don't think so, Jennifer. Oh, yeah, huh? Discover's accepted where I like to shop. Come on, baby, get with the times.
Alright, so I think it's installed. Let me see. video and you want to hear more, or you want to see more content in the future, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thumbs up. I'll see you the next time. Next time when I install the underglow light. Probably tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. I want to see how the weather looks like. And see you guys soon. Take care.